Hey guys, it's Nina, and in this video I'm going to give you an up close and personal look at my lock texture. So I've been palm rolling my locks for 5 years now. If you look closely, you'll see that I have a lot of lumps and bumps in my locks. A lot of people try to fix those. They honestly don't bother me, so I just let them be. I kind of look at my locks like handmade pottery. If you look to the left, you can see how one of the ends is kind of popped open and the ones on the right are a little more sealed and cylindrical. And that's because of lint extraction. I just did this retwist 2 days ago after a month without retwisting, and I always aim for just good enough, never too tight. And my hair is somewhere between 4B and 4C. As you might have noticed, the locks on the far left are a little bit thinner than the ones on the right. I'd say my locks are about medium size overall. The color on the ends of my hair was from when I was a loose natural, and I've only colored my locks twice, and that was in the 2nd year. I'd say my locks right now are a dusty brown color, and the lights do wash them out a little bit. My hair is also a bit dry because it has been really cold where I live, and truth be told, I have kind of fallen off on my moisture routine. In addition to all the lumpy bumps, you probably notice a lot of frizz. A lot of people will try to trim it or lay it down somehow with gel. I just leave it alone because I'm over trying to fight that battle. And when it comes to the frizz that's closer to your roots, the reality is that you'll always have starter locks. So that, ladies and gents, is my lock texture. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave me any questions that you have. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and thanks for watching.